Hello, mentors. Welcome to Space Adventures. Let's see a quick example of play. You have Team A and Team B, so you make teams. Mentors can participate also, students, of course. Let's say we have Miguel, Ana, and Laura in Team A, and then Nat and Ernest in Team B. So let's say Team A chooses option 2, so then Team B will choose option 1. So they just drag these gems into whichever place they want, right? So let's say that this is the final, setup of the game. Team A has this configuration of gems, and Team B has these configurations of gems. So what we do now is Team B starts, so they just decide which gem they'll target first. So let's say they want to destroy the diamond very, very hard. They have to roll a 6. Let's see how they do. So they roll. Okay, a 2, so nothing happens. And then now Team A plays, so they're going to target actually this guy here. They're going to target the gold. They have to roll 5 or 6. Let's see how it goes. Not good. That's a 2. Okay, so now it's the turn of Team B. They're going to say, you know what, let's just target this guy here, for example, this quartz here. Hopefully it's easier, 4, 5, or 6, so a 50% chance. Let's see how they do. They roll, oh, 3, nothing happens. Now Team A has, again, opportunities. They also target the gold, and then they'll roll. Not good. So what you could do is speed up the game. So this speed version, you actually target 2 gems and roll 1 die that applies to both gems. Let's say that now we play this way. So Team B will target, let's say, this guy here and this guy here. So these 2 quartz. Let's see how they do. They roll a 2, nothing happens. Let's now go to Team A. So Team A will target this quartz here and this quartz here. Let's see how they do. They roll, finally a 6, that's good. So they'll destroy these 2 guys. So they'll first destroy these quartz. So they just delete it in the Jamboard. You just delete it, and this guy here. Okay, so make some progress. Team A. Okay, Team B will target, they're gonna go for everything, so they're gonna target these 2 guys. Let's see how they do. Let's roll, 2, nothing happens. Now Team B, okay, they know they already destroyed this guy. They need to destroy the diamond, so it's adjacent, right, next to it. And they'll also target, let's say, this diamond. So they really need a 6. Let's roll, 1, nothing happens. Okay, just move on. So you want to make it fast and just, get kids engaged and, big emotion. Let's see how they do here for Team B. They target these 2 gems. They roll and they get a 5. That's great. So that actually tells me that these 2 gems are destroyed. So this ship is dismantled. You can make your own representation, either deleting the ship, or you can just put, for example, this sticky note says, okay, this is lost, and then it continues. Of course, you could target even 3 gems if it's really, really taking long. Let's try that. Let's target 3 gems. And so it's a strategy also, which 3 gems to target. Should you target the same type of gem or just go for different things? So that's something to think about. Let's say, so Team B just destroyed this. Team A's turn. Let's say they wanna destroy this, and this. So just to weaken. And so they target 3 different gems, different types. Let's see how they do. They roll. They get a 2, nothing happens. Okay. Now Team B will aim for destroying this ship and maybe starting making a dent on this other ship. Let's see how they do. They roll 5. That's great. So, well, this diamond doesn't get destroyed, but because it's just with a 6, but this quartz, bye-bye, and this also bye-bye. Okay, so that's great. Let's see who wins. Now team A will target 3 gems. They really want to go for the diamond. They gotta be patient. As long as they get the diamonds, well, it's gonna be much easier to win. They roll 6. Okay, so very good news for team A. Let's see what happened. You roll a 6. You were aiming for the diamond, and so this is actually destroyed, right? Because 2 adjacent ships. Okay, so it's pretty tight right now. Let's see. So now team B has to play. They're gonna target 3. So they want to destroy this ship, and then they want to destroy this ship, and then starting making some progress towards this ship. Let's see how they do. Let's roll. You get a 4. Okay, so this quartz is gone. Other than that, nothing happens. Okay, now team A. Okay, there's, they're close to victory because they destroy the diamonds. And okay, so if they roll a 5, they win. Let's see. If they roll a 4, it's good news, but they don't win yet. So let's see. 1. Okay, let's have to wait. Now team B has a chance. Let's see. They go for diamond again. They go for gold. And they go for diamond. Let's see. They roll. They get a 1. Nothing happens. Switch back to this team, trying to destroy these quarries here. So let's see what happens. And this gold, of course. They roll. They get a 2. Nothing happens. Okay, so it's tense game. We'll see what happens. Here, and finally here. Let's roll. Boom. Nope. 1. Nothing happened. Okay, let's go back to the team A attacking. And so see how it goes. Roll again. Got a 3. 3 does nothing. Switch back to team B attacking. Let's roll. At 3, nothing happens. Let's go back again to this targeting. And so you want kids to move, actually, to move the, the Jamboard items, and then you can roll the die, or they can even roll the die using this or other software. So let's go back to team B attacking. Let's see what happens. Roll. Okay, they got a 4. Nothing happens. Okay, let's see if team A can actually finish the game. We'll see. Let's roll. We get a 4. Okay, getting closer. This quartz is destroyed. This is also destroyed. So these ships are destroyed. And finally, well, actually, yeah, this is not destroyed because you had to roll a 5. So almost done. Still 1 ship remaining for team B. So they still have some, some options there, but they really want to get this diamond here and here. Let's see. They roll. They get a 5. Not good enough, but at least they destroyed this ship, right? Because that's how you do it. With gold, you roll a 5. It's still pretty close, and anything can happen. It could be long before team A destroys this gold. They just target this gold, of course. That's enough. They roll. Let's see. They get a 4. Nothing happens. And now let's go with team B attacking. Are they going to be able to win? Well, they better roll a 6, sorry, so that they can destroy these 2 ships at once. 6. Okay, so it's surprising result. Actually, team B was able to hang in there for a while, and then they roll a 6 when the opportunity rose, so they win the game. This is how it goes. I guess you want to start with just rolling 1 dice, just to focus on just one aspect. and then quickly escalate to 2 or sorry, 1 die but for 2 gems, or 1 die even for 3 gems. It will depend on luck. So of course in this simulation maybe I wasn't too lucky at the beginning, and then I just escalated to 3 gems. So that's the game. Have fun.